Hi guys, welcome back to Budget Buying, where today we're diving into the top 5 best stand mixer options to upgrade your kitchen and baking game. From powerful motors to versatile features, we've got the best picks lined up for you. Let's get started. Starting off our list at number 5, we have the Cusimax stand mixer. The Cusimax stand mixer is designed to bring efficiency and precision to everyday baking and cooking tasks. Powered by a 650-watt high-performance metal motor and supported by a durable ABS housing, this mixer delivers consistent results whether you're preparing light batters or heavy doughs. Its digital switch control system offers 8 optimized speed settings along with a 15-minute timer, giving you greater flexibility and accuracy for a wide range of recipes. Equipped with multiple attachments, the mixer includes a wire whip, dough hook, and beater, all of which can be easily secured to the shaft. This versatility allows you to handle everything from whipping cream to kneading bread dough with ease, making it a practical addition to any kitchen. The 5-quart stainless steel mixing bowl provides ample capacity for preparing cakes, cookies, breads, muffins, waffles, and more. A convenient splash guard with an access port helps you add ingredients during mixing without creating a mess, ensuring a smoother and cleaner cooking experience. Its tilt-head design with a built-in handle allows easy access when installing or removing the bowl and attachments. Additionally, anti-slip silicone suction cups at the base keep the mixer stable during operation, even at higher speeds. Combining functionality with user-friendly design, the Cusimax stand mixer is a reliable companion for both beginner and experienced home cooks. Coming in at number 4, the Hamilton Beach stand mixer. The Hamilton Beach stand mixer is designed to make home baking simple, efficient, and enjoyable. Built with a powerful 300-watt motor, this stand mixer can easily handle everything from thick cookie dough to dense bread mixtures, allowing you to prepare a wide variety of baked goods with minimal effort. At the heart of its performance is the planetary mixing action, which ensures complete bowl coverage. The beaters rotate around the 4-quart stainless steel bowl, thoroughly blending ingredients for consistent results every time. This hands-free mixing system delivers the same style of performance found in more expensive mixers, helping you achieve smooth batters and perfectly kneaded doughs. The mixer comes fully equipped with essential attachments to support all your baking needs. Included are a dough hook for kneading, a whisk for whipping, and a flat beater for general mixing tasks. A convenient splash guard helps keep your workspace clean, while the stainless steel bowl with handles makes pouring and handling easier. For added convenience, all attachments and the bowl are dishwasher safe, saving time during cleanup. With 7 adjustable speeds, the mixer offers flexibility for different recipes. A helpful mixing guide located on top of the unit assists in selecting the ideal speed for each task. The slow first speed is particularly useful for gently incorporating ingredients and reducing splatter, especially when combining dry and wet components. Designed with user comfort in mind, the built-in top handle allows for easy lifting of the mixer head when adding ingredients or changing attachments. This same handle also makes it simple to move and store the appliance when not in use. Overall, this stand mixer combines power, versatility, and convenience, making it a reliable companion for everyday baking. At number 3, we have the Cuisinart stand mixer. The Cuisinart stand mixer is designed to bring professional-level performance into everyday kitchens, combining power, precision, and elegant design. Built with a durable die-cast metal construction, this mixer is equipped with a robust 500-watt motor that ensures consistent results across a wide range of preparation tasks. Its generous 5.5-quart capacity makes it ideal for handling both small and large batches, whether you're mixing cake batter, kneading dough, or whipping cream. Featuring 12 adjustable speeds, the mixer offers precise control for different recipes, allowing users to achieve the perfect texture every time. The polished stainless steel bowl not only enhances durability, but also adds a sleek, modern look to any countertop. Its tilt-back head design provides easy access to the bowl, making it simple to add ingredients or switch attachments during use. This stand mixer comes complete with essential accessories, including a chef's whisk, dough hook, and flat mixing paddle, along with a splash guard that features a convenient pour spout to minimize mess. An instruction manual and recipe book are also included, helping users get started right away with a variety of dishes. For those looking to expand functionality, the mixer supports a range of optional attachments, such as a pasta extruder, pasta roller and cutters, ice cream maker, meat grinder, and spiralizer. Available in a selection of stylish colors, including silver lining, onyx, periwinkle blue, ruby red, white linen, and robin's egg, it offers both versatility and aesthetic appeal, making it a standout addition to any kitchen. Next up at number 2 is the Zacme stand mixer. The Zacme stand mixer is designed to bring professional-level performance into both home and commercial kitchens. With its impressive 8.4-quart capacity, it can handle up to 3 kilograms of dough in a single batch, making it an excellent choice for large families, baking enthusiasts, and small businesses. This generous capacity reduces the need for repeated mixing, saving both time and effort during busy cooking sessions. Powered by a robust 800-watt DC motor and supported by durable metal gears, the mixer delivers consistent and efficient performance. It features 11 adjustable speed levels, allowing precise control for a wide variety of recipes, from gentle mixing to intensive kneading. Whether preparing soft cake batter or dense bread dough, the machine maintains smooth and reliable operation. A modern LED display enhances usability by showing real-time operation settings and time. The built-in countdown timer function allows users to multitask with confidence, ensuring perfect results without constant monitoring. The tilt head design further improves convenience, making it easy to switch attachments or remove the bowl effortlessly. Engineered for quiet performance, the Zacme stand mixer operates at a low noise level, ranging from less than 48 dBA on the lowest setting to less than 68 dBA at maximum speed. This ensures a comfortable kitchen environment even during extended use. The mixer utilizes planetary mixing action, ensuring thorough and even blending of ingredients throughout the stainless steel bowl. It comes with a complete set of food-grade stainless steel accessories, including a dough hook, wire whip, and flat beater, all of which are dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. Built to meet NSF ANSI 8/2023 standards, this stand mixer guarantees safety, durability, and hygiene. Its versatile design makes it suitable for preparing a wide range of recipes, from cakes and cookies to pizza and sourdough bread, making it a reliable and essential tool for any modern kitchen. Finally, at number 1, we have the KitchenAid Artisan stand mixer. The KitchenAid Artisan stand mixer is designed to deliver reliable performance and consistent results for a wide range of kitchen tasks. Built with durable metal construction, it is made to handle everyday mixing needs while maintaining long-lasting stability. Its design includes 59 touch points around the bowl, ensuring ingredients are thoroughly incorporated for smooth and even mixing. Equipped with a 5-quart stainless steel bowl, this mixer is suitable for both small and large batches. The bowl features a comfortable handle, making it easy to lift and pour, and it is dishwasher safe for convenient cleaning. With the capacity to prepare up to 9 dozen cookies in a single batch, it supports efficient baking and meal preparation. The tilt head design allows easy access to the bowl, making it simple to add ingredients during the mixing process. Once lowered, the head locks securely in place to ensure stable operation. This user-friendly design enhances both convenience and control in the kitchen. With 10 different speed settings, the mixer can handle a variety of tasks, from gently stirring ingredients to whipping cream at higher speeds. Each setting is designed to provide precise control, allowing for accurate and consistent results across different recipes. Available in more than 20 color options, the KitchenAid Artisan stand mixer also offers a way to match personal style and kitchen decor. Its combination of performance, capacity, and design makes it a versatile addition to any modern kitchen. Upgrade your baking game today. Check the price link in the description to grab your favorite stand mixer. Like and subscribe to Budget Buying for more amazing product recommendations.